What's up, guys? Well, it's Independence Day, and in honor of that, we're going to toss the birds again. We got 17 of them in here. This is let's see, what should I call it? We're going to call this the A team. I don't know, I can't call them first round, second round, because there's some first, second, and third round birds in this basket. So we're going to go with the A team. Hopefully, I can remember that in my next videos. But as you guys can see, we're basically as far as we can go. Now these birds are going to have to compete with open country. The last toss spot was about 4 miles in that direction. And what I'm trying to do with these birds is I'm trying to toss them teach them a V pattern in regards to where I let them go, in regards to where home is. So I've heard some good results off of that. We got the Budweiser building here. But yeah, now the birds are really going to start having fun. Nothing but open country. The main road that I'm going to be tossing them from over here is a little bit farther in that direction. So we're going to go from little township to little township. Their first toss spot is going to be Clarksville, Tennessee, which is roughly that direction right there, towards that farmhouse. So these birds, they've been in here a little while. It's about 6 o'clock. I got up this morning at 5. Basket them. Basically picked these guys right up off their perches, put them in the basket. Probably the easiest time in regards to handling these guys and getting them basketed I've ever had. So we're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to toss them off the back of my truck. Instead of sitting them on the ground, maybe they can get up a little bit faster. I don't know. My SUV's in the shop, so we're running the old sucker, but here we go. Let's see what happens. Come on, guys. There they go, right in front of a damn car. Ah. That was way too close. Been sitting here the whole time, no traffic. That home is in the general direction of right over that building. So let's hang out here for a minute, see what they do. The only birds back in the loft are Bebop, the 2 little Mona Lisa Wolverines, and as of yesterday, he's a little cockbird with a broken leg. That little dude was up on top of the loft. Even with his leg the way it is, he was still strutting his stuff. So let's see how this goes. All right, just got home. And as soon as I turn on the camera, there they are. Little Morris Gordon. I think that little guy's a cockbird. Got one of the signs. But as of right now, this is what these guys are interested in doing. Making babies. There's Mona Lisa. Alright guys, let's go in the backyard. Well, we just got out in the backyard. And for the most part, looks like the majority of them are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 that I can see. And I'm sure there's some more on the other side of the house. Yeah, I can see. So, that was pretty quick. But as you guys can tell, see the little cockbirds? That's all these guys are interested in doing anymore. There you got the little male 557 right there strutting his stuff. Let's see who else we got. Where's he at? Got that little black scion right there. Let's see, I know one of these grizzles right here. One of them's a cockbird. I like that one up there on top right there. It's got a mind of its own, but little Morris Gordon. Huh. Yeah, so it was good. But since these guys are out, I'm gonna let the B team out as well. We got more birds out now than we've ever had out before. About 40 of them. Yep. This is how I'm gonna teach the B team, I guess, how to do what they need to do. The A team pretty much, they got pretty much everything they need to know down pat, so we're gonna leave them out here for a little bit. All me. Yeah, so this dude just showed back up. He's that slate off of the A team. Ever since he got hit by a hawk, this dude has been getting back last behind everybody else. I don't know. I think there's something up with him. He just, I don't know, ever since he got hit, it seems like he's unsure of himself. Let him out with everybody else. He goes off on his own. But he comes back. I don't know. Looks like this little guy's gonna join the squad. Alright, so I think everybody's been out long enough. Got the little chickens pecking around on the ground. Got some guys over here on the roof on the other side. Most of the A team have all gone in. So let's call them in, see what happens. Come on, guys. Come on.